Sardinas at itlog mo, gagawin natin ganito.
Wow!
Hep hep hep, hindi yan Chicken Joy.
Sardinas nga eh.
Pero mag-e-enjoy ka talaga pag niluto mo to. Kaya naman panoorin yung mabuti.
그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요.
Wow!
Hey guys, this is a vlog takeover. By the way, this is Ate Jane's little sister. It's me, Iya.
Wow.
Okay, let's start cooking. Oh wait, here's my Ate's intro.
What's up guys? Ito na naman po ang inyong kusinerang inhinyera, 𝐻𝐔𝐒𝐈𝐍. And welcome to my channel!
First, we need to crack the eggs and put it in a mixing bowl. Oh, don't forget to beat it. Beat it! Beat it! Next, we have to saute the onion and garlic. Oh, please forgive me, because I'm not a pro in this. Did I get it right, guys? Comment below, please. Now, we need 2 cans of sardines. I think any brand will do. It's up to you. Comment down below what's your favorite. Me? I personally don't like sardines, but once you try this recipe, oh my, you'll love it. Even your kids will love it. Like me.
Wow.
Oh, by the way, thank you very much, 𝒬𝒂𝒊𝒍 cookware. Now, we need to break the sardines in pieces. Don't worry, the bones are too soft. We can eat it. Oops, don't forget to season it with salt and pepper. You can add sugar too, but it's optional, okay? Now, let the sauce dry before adding the eggs. Oh wow, that looks so good. I think I'm ready to eat that. Oops, wait guys, we're not yet done. You can also add cheese and raisins, but these are optional. See guys, there's so many options in this recipe. Break time, that is a planet. Now, the sliced bread. No need to take off the edges. It won't change our life. Right, guys? Oh, is that a rolling pin? I think so. Maybe you can also use glass. Oh, what's that bread doing?
Kumuha ng hindi sexing tinapay, babe.
Just make sure to flatten the bread, guys. Now, I think you will shape the bread like a comb. But first, we need to wet the edges so they can stick together. At last, the fillings. We can put them inside now. Yeah! And don't forget to coat it in egg and breadcrumbs. Ooh, I'm so excited! I really love Ate Jane's cooking. I think you can put up your own restaurant already. Wow! Now, let's fry it. Fry it, fry it, fry it. Can you smell it, guys? It's so good.
Wow.
Okay, guys, it's taste test time.
Sarap, panalo. Uy! Nag-vlog pa! Nag-vlog pa!
I thought you're not vlogging
Nakita ko! Wait lang.
Multik yan, girl.
Hindi, kuha pa ako ng isa, tapos iyan. Sarap. Sarap pati sauce. Okay, wait lang, di pa pa ito. Ang mga kamay, wait lang. Kala nila aking kamay lang yan eh. 10 tao na nakamay yan.
Subscribe na din kayo guys sa aking second YouTube channel, Jane Agustin Silvestre's Life Vlog. Siyempre, ang content is all about my life. Empty house tour update, unboxing and review ng mga PR packages. Kung meron tayong mga pag-giveaways, pa-raffles, and pa-prizes, doon natin i-upload. Kung may mga questions kayo about sa vlogging, ano yung aking mga editor, ayon, kahit ano, anything under the sun. Follow na rin kayo sa aking mga social media accounts, lalong-lalo na sa aking Instagram kung gusto nyo ng advanced update sa aking buhay o sa aking mga niluluto. Sa aking Facebook page, meron na po tayong 40,000 followers na kung saan nag-upload din po ako ng mga videos kung mahilig kayong manood sa Facebook. And syempre, meron din po tayong Facebook group, 𝑤𝒎𝒂𝒊𝒍 𝕄𝕪 𝕄𝕋, at iba pa. Shoutout po sa aking sister na si Jasmine Santos Agustin. Subscribe na kayo guys sa kanyang YouTube channel na talaga namang nakaka-enjoy at nakakaaliw.
Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys. See you again next time.